I know what you're thinking, and the answer is yes, I am available.
Something under the pillow. They're hiding things. Whoa! Hey, friend! I didn't even know you could do that with your head.
Well, you'll certainly be in my prayers tonight. And I'll be praying you get nut cancer!
I thought you put it there! Why would I put it there? Kindness?
Same old story. Boy finds girl, boy loses girl, girl finds boy. Boy forgets girl, boy remembers girl. And girl dies in a tragic blimp accident over the Orange Bowl on New Year's Day.
Good year.
No, the worst.
Oh, dear.
So, that was one rootin' tootin' big old crap of a day, huh?
If you say one more word to me, Vic, I swear to God, one more word for the rest of the day, I'm gonna take a drywall hammer and I'm gonna beat you to death with it. You got it?
Makes total sense to me.
One cut, one scratch, and the illusion is broken.
Strawberry sunrise, no ice. Oh, and one of those little umbrellas.